Charter Radiology now has ICONNECT as our PACS Physician Viewer. To launch our ICONNECT viewer, find us on our homepage at charterradiology.com and click on the blue tab labeled Physician Login PACS New. Simply enter your assigned user ID and personal password and click Login. Images and reports must be searched by the patient's last and first name. Enter names in the search boxes and hit Enter or click the search button. All patient studies completed at Charter Radiology will be available for viewing. To locate the exam of interest quickly, click the category heading to reorganize your patient's exam list. Select your patient's exam of interest and click the blue Universal button at the bottom of your screen. Image load time varies and is dependent on your computer processor specifications and internet speed. During this training session, we will discuss some of the more common tool options. To scroll through a series of images, you can use your mouse wheel or left-click and drag the image number slide bar. To alter the image viewer layout, click the Layout button and select your preference. To view a different series of images, left-click and drag the image series thumbnail to the desired view box. Toggle the appearance of localizer lines on and off by clicking the Localizer Lines button. You can continue to scroll through each series of images to verify the location of anatomy and pathology in the different image series planes. Some image series can be linked. To link an image series, click the Linked Scroll button and continue to scroll through an image series. Click the Exam Report button to view the radiologist's findings. Click on each report tab until you locate the exam report. To print the report, click the Printer button, make desired printer setting changes, and click Print. To ensure the privacy of our patients, be sure to exit the patient exam and log out when finished viewing. If you need any ICONNECT assistance or want to request a training session, please contact us at patientservices@charterradiology.com.